Hey everybody, it's Yo-Yo back with a planner haul. Let's go. Knock, knock. Hey everybody, Miss Yo-Yo is back. She's got some planner haul, planner finds going up in here. A girl been to Joann's, aka JoJo's. We got Michael's on deck. We got Hobby Lobby coming up in the rear. So thank you so much for stopping in. I greatly appreciate it. If you enjoy the video, I just ask that you please hit that thumbs up. Let's get to it, okay? First of all, let me just tell you, I picked up these expanded discs from Joann's that were 50% off. Look at those. I just love those. I have some wooden ones like those. And in case I've never shown you before, these are the wooden, fake plastic wooden ones. I like those. So I picked these up. Look at this. They were $6.99 regular price, on sale 50% off. Bam, did that, okay? Did that. You know, everything I got here is some savings because that's what I do. So if you're looking to find out where some deals at, some savings at, Miss Yo-Yo's going to guide you there, okay? Now, here is what we call free. Yes, free. So, went to my planner meetup a few weeks ago. We're doing our little de-stash. Everybody puts their items that they're going to de-stash in front of them. Well, here's what I came across. Girl at the end of my row, she had these cloth and paper inserts. Cleaning inventory, okay? Home refresh pages, task delegation, okay? And purchase tracker sheets. All for free. And see, here's the deal. I use a classic and I use a half letter that I carry in my bag every day. I can use these as insert in either one of those planners. So Miss Yo-Yo, she took that and she ran down the street with it, okay? So I picked these up for free. I have another item I'm going to show you that I picked up at Hobby Lobby that's a regular price Happy Planner item for $19.99. I got for $5 and some change, and it was not on sale. That we'll get to in just a minute. So also at Michael's. Now let's get to Michael's. Michael's has got some more new Recollection sticker books in. This is one of them that I picked up. I posted a picture of this page right here, which I absolutely love this. These are all vases. Have priority stickers here, note stickers in here, reminder stickers in here, busy sticker, today stickers. I just thought these were gorgeous if you can read them, okay? So I just wanted, as soon as I saw that, I was like, okay, I'm in. But then I did look through a little more, and I saw these. These were gorgeous right here. This right here was another page I fell in love with. These are great little headers right here. Plan stickers, note stickers, to do, important stickers. I love that. That was another thing. And these boxes, I had gotten some of these boxes in another Recollection sticker book, and I'm so glad that they have them in this one because I love it. Now, here's the thing. I have played with this one sticker probably about a half a dozen times. For some reason, I'm obsessed with these floral, these round ones right here. That is cute, cute, cute. So those are round ones. We got some little round ones here. We've got the green and the brown, which these earth tones are my colors. Love, 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 love. So these clear quotes, can never go wrong with clear quotes because we can always use them, okay? So this was another sticker book. Regular price on these, all the Recollection sticker books are $9.99. I used my 20%, regular 20% coupon that they have on everyday prices at Michael's. I used it. I didn't mind using it. I normally am a 40% girl, but I'm not going to fret about it because the price is $9.99, which I think is really good for stickers, okay? I mean, what's the regular price we see on stickers now? 21, 23? Nah, so I'm not going to haggle about only 20% off of this $9.99 sticker book. So if you want to check that out, Recollection has more sticker books in stock, so check that out. Now, here's the other thing. So I've been looking and looking and looking for this extension pack. It's the Daily Sheet extension pack, the new one from Happy Planner. But every time I try to order it at Joann's, it tells me it's not in the store. It's not available for pickup. You can order it online and pay the shipping costs. And then when I try to use my shipping coupon, that didn't work. So I was like, give it up. Give up the ghost, okay? Give up the ghost. So went on over to Michael's, saw it was on a 40% sale, so I just took the 40%. Now, it's 3 months. It's 3 months versus the 12. I mean, it's 3 months versus the 4 month that they sell with the planner cover, okay? What does that run, like $20-some? So the 3 month is $12.99. The 3 months is $12.99. The 4 months is $20. You do the math. So this was on a 40% sale, so I ended up getting that down. And I'm going to tell you the reason I did the planner last year, the daily planner, but I didn't use them every day. So this is perfect. This is just what I need. It's neutral, it's gray and white. I can work with this. So if that's something you want to check out, and you want to check out doing the daily sheets, but you don't want to invest the whole planner, hey, I got a ton of covers I could give you if you need a cover. Okay, I got a whole book full of covers. So this is what I'm going to go with instead of going with buying the whole planner for 20 something. I think the regular price on the planner is like $28 or something. So let's get to the good stuff. Let's get to the good stuff. Now, first of all, Hobby Lobby. All Hobby Lobby here. Now we got the little medium-sized discs. I had eyeballed these when they did their preview. I've only seen them at Hobby Lobby. I cannot find them anywhere else. So these little plastic discs right here, I wanted these. So I got these. Regular price on them was $6.99. 40% off, girls. 40% off. It's the 40% off week. Well, we're coming out of the 40% off week for Hobby Lobby. So going into this next week that you're going into, by the time I post this, it'll be 50% off only the Paper Studio and Agenda 52. Because Paper Studio owns Agenda 52. That 50% sale will work on both those lines. Okay, so just give you a heads up on that. Now, here's the thing. I'm a girl that if I can find a sticker book that I like in a smaller version like this or this, for me to test out and see if I like it, that's what I will do. They have a full-size sticker book like this. I didn't want to invest $21, $22, $23 in a full sticker book, okay, if I just don't know if I'm going to use every sticker. Now, this one gives me just enough. It's 394 pieces. Payment stickers, due stickers. We got deep cleaning sticker, organized stickers, maintenance stickers, tidy stickers. Then we got them in a variety of different colors. We got birthday stickers. We got gold stickers. So shopping stickers, pickup stickers, chore stickers, errand stickers. Important reminder, we always need those. Email call stickers, need those too. Okay, so I got this sticker book 40% off. Regular price on it was $6.99, and we got a winner. So I ended up getting this instead of buying the full-size sticker book. So I like that. If I can find it in a smaller book, always, I will try the smaller book first before I buy the big one. So, and if I can't and I really like it, I buy the big size. Now, this was another one. My sister saw that Harvest sticker book when I did the Michael's video. She loved it, loved it, loved it. I actually had somebody else ask me about it in a comment. Oh my God, what was that sticker book? Well, they got a smaller version of it. So if you want to try it out, 134 pieces. Here's the thing about this sticker book. To me, it's a seasonal sticker book. You're not going to be fall all year. So this little thing right here will take me through the fall. And if I use these stickers in conjunction with some other stickers, that color thing. So this one right here, and they're all clear stickers, okay? So I got this instead of buying a full-size sticker book. As soon as I showed my sister this page, she was like, oh, I want that book. So this right here, if you want to try out this book, this is a way for you to try out and not have to buy the whole sticker book. Important stickers, today's stickers, what else is in here? Reminder stickers, priority stickers. So, you know, it'll give you just enough to get you through October, November, if that's your range right there that you want to use it for. That right there, and $6.99, 40% off of that. So you cannot lose, okay? You can't lose. You cannot lose. So I'm going to stick that back in. And let me just tell you, I bought 3 other sticker books that I didn't want to make this video super, super long. So I'm actually thinking about doing a separate video for those. I'll show you those in a minute and let you make the call if you want me to do a flip through of those. Now, here we go. Agenda 52 Paper Studio sticker books, $8.99, $8.99. Some of them are $17.99, so pay attention. This sticker book, I just showed you guys a picture of a quick flip through on my IG and shorts. Now, here's the thing I'm going to tell you about. They had this exact same sticker book. It said Agenda 52 at the top here, same number of stickers. It was $17.99. So pay attention. Pay attention at Hobby Lobby, okay? So this one I ended up getting $8.99. I actually saw it on the week it was 40% off. And let me tell you, I hid it. Yes, I hid the sticker book till I could come back and get it. I did it, okay? I did it, oh homie, okay? So I hid it. I came back and I found my sticker book that was $8.99, the same one, and I ended up getting it. So if you've done that, please leave a comment below. Hey, what goes on at Miss Yo-Yo channel stays at Miss Yo-Yo's channel, okay? So I ain't telling nobody, okay, you know, telling me, right? So these stickers, I absolutely love the size of these. I think they're a little bit more narrow. So I think they work very perfect in vertical, horizontal, or dashboard. Ooh, got tongue tied there. I love the size of these. These will fit perfectly in the dashboard. This is my favorite sticker. Be kind and know your worth. Love this sticker right here. And they get 2 pages of each sticker sheet here. So you will be able to use this for a long time. And the thing I absolutely love about this sticker book, I'm going to show you some right here. I love these little black and white stickers right here. You can layer these. You can stagger them, or you can just lay them on top of each other and just have a little bit of that color sticking out of the back there. There you go. So these, there's 2 of each. I love these sizes. To me, I think these sizes are totally different. For $8.99, 50% off of $8.99. Okay, let's just say $4.50. You get 1,166 stickers, quality stickers. You get 2 pages of each. Where in the world are you going to get that at? Where are you going to get that at? Not anywhere I know of. Love these washi strips. Love the colors here. Remember, you get 2 pages of each now. So you're getting more than you want. I love that. Don't worry. Be happy. Love it. Look at these. Payday stickers, hair appointment stickers, laundry stickers, coffee date stickers. Love that. 2 pages. 2 pages. These floors are all clear. All of these are their tidy up stickers. That's what I absolutely love. Love that. So this sticker book was one that I picked up. They had it at $17.99 and $9.99. Yes, I did it. I hid that bad boy till I came back on the 50% weekend, got it. Ain't no shame in my game. Now, this agenda, let me show you something. I just got to jump to this real quick. Okay, let me just jump to this real quick. So here's the story. Went up in the Hobby Lobby trying to do my thing. I'm up there trying to find some video for my girls, blah, blah, blah. Hanging out, trying to see what's new, blah, blah, blah. So I see this sitting on a shelf, like on top of the, what do you call those, mega sticker books. Just sitting there. I go over and I pick it up and I said, oh. I go, somebody done opened up an extension pack, and you know how it has the little purse on the front? They done took the purse. No, they didn't. That's just, oh man, that just makes me mad. So I take it, I go down, because I saw my little manager lady. So I go around the corner and say, hey, this was opened up on a shelf over there. I said, question for you. I didn't want the little pouch anyway. I don't like those, okay? I said, but I looked in it, and I saw it had these little pockets, which I could use these for something. Use envelopes here. We got some daily sheets. Look at that. Look at all the daily sheets back there, okay? So I go over there and I say, hey, I'm all right with it, but can I buy it? Okay, can I buy it? There's a dry erase board in here. And she gets on the phone and she calls somebody. She says, there's a lady coming up front with a Happy Planner package that's open. Will you go ahead and give it to her for 75% off? Did she say 75% off? I think she said 75% off. Okay. Okay, thank you very much. I appreciate it. Went over back to the aisle I was on because I had some stuff I had picked up that I was going to get right. Got my little sticker books, took my little butt to the front, checked out. The girl rings my thing up, and I said, how much is that? With tax, $5.49. Okay. Thank you very much. Have a nice evening. See you next time. Bye-bye. So I got this, and I'm telling you right now, I even like the folder. I like the folder. I'll be honest with you, these little pockets right here, and I can find something to do with the sheets. I can use the sheets to write on something, okay? So I ended up getting this for $5.49, regular price, $19.99. It wasn't on sale. Pay attention to your surroundings, girls. You never know what you might be tripping up on, okay? You never know what you might be tripping up on, and that was a trip up. So that right there is something that I got at Hobby Lobby that somebody opened. And I went, and the worst thing you could do when you see something like that is to ask somebody and they say no. Worst thing is 2 letters, N and O. I'm all right with that. So I ended up getting that. That was one of my things. Now, let's get back to my last sticker book here. But this one I absolutely love. This is one that I came across, $8.99, okay? $8.99. Love these black and white stickers. Look at this. They got a couple of sheets of those, okay? Love it, love it, love it. Another sheet of black and white. We got 2 pages. I love a deal. I get so excited when I find something and it's not regular price. Are you that girl? Because I am that girl, okay? I'm loving when I don't have to pay regular price for it, I'm all in. This $8.99. So let's just say $4.50. $4.50 for another 1,088 stickers. Where you gonna get that at? I don't know. See, these little boxes like this, I would take a black quote and put it in there and turn it sideways. That's just me. So 2 pages here. We're just gonna try to find both pages, okay? Reminder page, there's 2 pages here. Got those 2 together. We got some headers here we can use, or we can put something in here, put a header in there like a black quote that says errands. We got some washi strips here. We got some headers. We are loving it, loving it. We got some check off sheets here. Bam, bam. Thank you, ma'am. Okay. So this is the score Miss Yo-Yo got this week. Now let me show you what I picked up, and tell me if you want me to come back and do a flip through of these, okay? I picked up this one, which you know, of course, I told you I was going back for that one. Let me do this. I'm going to do this real quick so you can see a little better. Oh, I guess that's as far as I can go. Let me move this out of the way then. So I picked up this. I picked up this gold and black, and then I picked up this LaFleur. So this one right here I love. So let me know if you want me to come back, do a flip through that, leave a comment below. I greatly appreciate you guys stopping by, checking out the video. Please leave a comment, please leave a thumbs up. It lets YouTube know if you're enjoying my content. If they help me, I would greatly appreciate it. Thank you so much, and a girl, see y'all win. I'll see you next time. Bye-bye. Hey, everybody, it's Yo-Yo back to say thank you. I appreciate you taking the time out to watch my video. Leave a comment and give a thumbs up, which I know you did, right? Okay, thank you. I appreciate it. Now, if you want to see more videos like this, feel free to check out the playlist over here. And don't forget, if you have not subscribed, please hit that subscribe button, turn on the all notification. Now, the disclaimer. When exiting the videos, please check around for all your personal belongings. Remember, no tripping, no falling, no lost and found up here, because we ain't got no insurance. And what? You got to get up out of here now, okay? Thank you, and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.